Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So I will wait one more minute, then I will start the class.
Today we will write something in notebook.
No, try to understand the concept, and then worksheet will be sent on the basis of the same concept. Vivan Balchandani, every day the teacher has to tell you to sit with your camera on. Vivan Balchandani. Vivan, then I will assume you're not attending the class. You're just sitting in the class. Please turn on your camera. Okay, meantime, I will ask the question from you all one by one. Lakshya, this is the fraction. What do you understand by this 2 and what do you understand by this 5?
Ma'am, this 2 is numerator and this 5 is denominator.
So what does this mean? There is something which is divided into how many equal parts? There is one pizza divided into how many equal parts? How many equal parts?
2 minutes.
Rahil, how many equal parts?
Ma'am, 5.
5 equal parts. Dhyan
Yes,
Dalal.
ma'am.
Dhyan Dalal, how many parts I have done? I am talking about how many total parts in this fraction. How many total parts in this
2.
fraction? Total, how many parts are there in this fraction, Khevna?
5. 5.
5. Migdad, how many total parts in this fraction?
2.
Migdad, Dhyan Dalal, how many total parts are in this fraction?
5.
5. And we are talking about how many parts? Suppose 5 parts किए तो खाए कितने?
2 parts.
2 parts.
Parts.
Yes. Now I will ask one by one to write 2 more equivalent fractions, same like 2 upon 5. Ayush, tell me 2 more equivalent fractions which are same like 2 upon 5.
3
Go
upon
और
5. 4
दो और
upon 5.
situation दो और situation बता.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can I say? Ma'am, can I
Equivalent.
say?
Wait, I will call. Equivalent fractions.
Yes, some equivalent fractions are
Hmm.
4 by 10,
Very good. Yes.
6 by 15,
Very good.
and 8 by 20.
So you say so on. You can calculate more equivalent fractions. The method which you have learned. Yes, Kevna. 3 upon 6. More equivalent fractions, same like 3 upon 6.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 6 upon 12.
6 upon 12. Yes, more.
Ma'am, 9 upon 18.
Very good. Excellent. So, Samriddhi, have you observed any pattern here?
Yes, ma'am.
What are they doing?
Ma'am, it's multiplying with the 2, 1.
3 multiplied by 2
by
is
2.
6 and 6 multiplied by 2 is
By
12.
2 is 12.
Then they multiplying with the 3. Then if they
Okay,
want more
now-
equivalent fraction, they multiply with the 4.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I will ask more fractions with you all. Yes, Vedi, 4 upon 5. More equivalent fraction.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
2 more equivalent fractions.
Okay, ma'am.
I request grade 5 students, please join class from tomorrow on time. because today many of you have joined just now.
Ma'am,
If you joined 5 minutes late, then it's not my problem, it's your problem.
ma'am,
Yes, Vedi.
8 upon 10.
Very good, excellent. Next one.
Next one.
Now multiply this number with the 3 because you want one more equivalent.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Let Vedi speak. Yes, Vedi.
8 upon 15.
No. 4 threes are 12
Oh,
upon 15. Got it?
Ma'am, I can
Yes,
tell.
No, Ridhan.
I confused.
Okay. Now you understood, Vedi?
Yes, ma'am. My tuition teacher explained.
Okay. Now, Ridhan, tell me.
Yes.
Find more equivalent fraction of 5 upon 6.
10 upon 12.
10 upon 12. Next.
Um, um, 5, 50.
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Next will come what?
15 upon 18.
Yes. So this way you can find more equivalent fractions by multiplying the numbers. Okay. Now,
One I can
suppose,
tell.
no, next class. Okay. I'll keep on revising the topic in the next classes with everyone. In one class, everyone will not able to get the chance. Okay. So now next topic is, if please mute your mic, Ridhan. If I say, what is the half of half? What is the half of half?
One
Quarter.
1/4.
1/4.
Quarter.
1/4 also called
1/4. And what is the half of 1/4?
1/8.
1/8. Can you see? I'm showing you practically here. Half of half
Yes,
is
ma'am.
1/4.
Yes, ma'am.
Half of 1/4 is 1/8. This is 1/8 piece. So have you observed any pattern here? Half of half is 1/4 and half of 1/4 is 1/8. What is doing?
The denominator is getting double.
But actually it is the half.
Ma'am,
Yes.
then it will be 1 upon 16.
Then it will be 1 upon 16. And now if I ask Khush Ahuja,
Yes, ma'am.
what is half of 1 upon 10?
Half of 1 upon 10. Ma'am, 1 upon 5.
Then again you told you are doing actually half.
1 upon 20.
But if you notice the pattern here, it is getting double.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1
But
upon
it is
15.
means आपने yes
1 upon 20 will be
1 upon 20. What is Anushka? What is half of 1 upon 40?
What, ma'am?
What is half of 1 upon 40?
20. 1 upon 20.
1 upon 80. Half of 1 upon 40 means 1 upon
Double.
80.
Double of the number.
But actually जब 80 pieces में से जब आप half करेंगे then it will be 1 upon 80. The half of 140. 140 को भी अगर आप आधा करेंगे ना तो it will become 1 upon 80. What is half of what? So on it will go. What is half of 1 upon 60?
What, ma'am?
What is half of 1 upon 60?
1 upon 120.
1 upon 120.
1 upon 120. Yes. Now,
Ma'am, next
Suppose-
question I will say.
now suppose I have 3 different pizzas. I have one pizza, I did 2 parts. Another pizza I have I did 4 parts of it. Okay. And one more pizza I have. I did 8 parts of it.
8.
Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Pizza size is same, but the pieces are getting smaller and smaller.
Yes. All the sizes are same.
Yes. But the complete pizza size is same. This is also same size. This is also same size. This is also same size. So out of this, I gave Samriddhi half of this. So what is the fraction I will write of the eaten part?
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2 it is your 1 upon 2 is Samruddhi.
Okay.
1 upon
And I gave this much part to Lakshya. But what
Ma'am,
fraction?
1 upon 2.
No, but what fraction I will write according to these
1 upon
parts?
4.
1 upon 4.
1
1 upon 4.
Ma'am, 2
1
upon
upon 4 plus 1 upon
2
4.
upon
2 upon
8.
4.
2 upon 8. 2 upon 8.
2 upon 4.
2 upon 4.
Listen here now. Ready? Yes, yes, I'm listening, everyone. Okay. Mute your mic. See, children, according to this fraction, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is 2 upon 4. Okay. Now, from this, I did total 8 parts. So my denominator will be 8 because I did 8 parts. And now I gave 4 parts. So what will be the fractions?
4 upon 8.
4 upon 8.
So when
8
you see
upon
this
8.
activity, when you see these fractions 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8, what are you thinking?
It's
What?
Ma'am, all are same. All are equal fractions.
Yes, equivalent fractions. All are same. Can you see? Half diya, then also portion is same. इसमें 4 upon 8 part diya, then also the part is same.
Same.
Because total was 8 and we gave 4 parts. So then also it is same.
Ma'am,
When I had 4 parts and gave 2 parts, then also it is 2 upon 4 means 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 and 4 upon 2, 8 are equivalent fractions. They are not different. They are equivalent. They are same. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, if we will do equal of this, so 1 upon 2 will be bigger, na?
See, 1 upon 2, 4 upon 8, 2 upon 4, they all are equal. There is no bigger than.
Okay, yes.
We are learning as you only said, give me the answer, no? The part, you have seen the practically part also. This part, when I separated the part, all parts are coming half only.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Now, next question is, suppose this is given to you. Okay, out of total 60 marks, you got 30. And the next is given out of 100 marks, you got 50. Is there any different? Is there any fraction which is bigger or lesser or equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, they both are equal because there is only half.
Half of
Yes.
There is the half fraction.
Yes,
Because
they both are
100 half
equal.
is 50 and 60
60
is half
में
is
से
30.
30 is just in half. 100 में से 50 is also half.
Half.
So both are equal fractions. But in the digits you can see, आप confused, you can be confused also that no, maybe 50 upon 100 is bigger. No. But you really see the situation that 60 का half होता है 30, 100 का half होता है 50 means both are same.
Yes.
And you can do it by cutting zeros and 0, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now you can see it's 1 upon 2, half,
Yes.
0, cut with the 0, 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Can you see it is also 1 upon 2?
Yes.
Got it? By doing it, that also method we learn in detail. This is called lowest term method. We will learn in detail. But right now with the simple division, we can do that.
Yes.
And fine. Okay. Now, if I give you one more sum, 25 upon 100.
Ma'am,
25 upon 100
Ma'am,
and yes, and 50
ma'am,
upon
it is quarter of
50 upon 200.
quarter of.
ma'am, it's
It is
ma'am,
quarter.
ma'am,
Quarter.
Both are
because it was
Ma'am,
on
can
half.
I say?
yes.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
This is half of half. This is also half of half.
50 half is 25.
These both are 1 upon 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Means quarter.
25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 50 ones are 50, 50 fours are 200, 1 upon 4.
Yes.
And the method which you are doing, that this is the half of the half and this is also the half of the half, so both are quarter, so both are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So with some digits it is possible to do in this way easily, but sometime if you want to do with the mathematical term and you want to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not, for example, if I write 5 upon 20 and next I write 8 upon 40, if you want to check whether they both, I will tell you one more method, Samriddhi, wait. How to check both the fractions are equivalent or not with the mathematical term by doing the cross multiplication. This, if you want to write, you can write this sum.
No.
If you want to check, आपने directly check कर लिया, practically कर लिया. Now comes when it comes the bigger units and mathematically आप उसको check कैसे करेंगे. Now see, we do the cross multiplication. Means 5 will multiply with the denominator of the next fraction and put a equal to sign. 8 will multiply with the denominator of the other fraction. Now 40 multiplied by 5, what will come?
20.
200. And 20 multiplied by 8?
160.
160. So can you see here both are not same now? This is 200 is coming, this is 160. So we can say that this fraction is not equivalent. And we cut this equal to sign and make it as not equivalent sign.
Ma'am, what I write the heading.
Write this, check the fraction is equivalent or not.
Ma'am, we have to do this in notebook, right?
Yes, you can do. Yes, check the fraction is equivalent or not. On the basis of this, I will send one worksheet today. So you do with this, because as you know that practically also you know, but sometime what happen in maths when we do get bigger digit, we get confused,
Ma'am,
right? Okay, just tell me.
I have doubt in yesterday's worksheet.
Okay, I will clear in the coming classes. Now you know this, no? How to check whether they are equivalent or not. You apply with all the options and check it.
Ma'am, but I am not able to do it.
Now, if you after this class, please try.
Okay, ma'am, I'll look up.
Okay. So children, when this is the mathematical term of how to check whether two fractions are equivalent or not, by this method is called the cross method. One numerator of one fraction multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction. Numerator of the second fraction multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction, and you get the answer. And if both are not same after multiplying, then means fraction is not equivalent. Trisha, are you clear with this? Okay, give me 1 minute time, children. Let me take the attendance. I will ask one more example with you all. Be ready with that. Visualize this concept properly. I'm going to erase it. You just write. No, Swamriti, try to understand. Listen here to Samriddhi. Only note down the sum. If you are clear with the concept, I can erase it and you do it afterwards also. Suppose now question is 2 upon 5 and 10 upon 15. Jan Dalal, Anna Agarwal, start doing in your notebooks and tell me with the cross multiplication, check whether they are equal or not. Anya Mittal, check fast in your
Yes.
notebook. Do it fast. Kevna, everyone please do this question in your notebook and tell me the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, these are not equivalent as 10 into 5 is coming 50 and 2 into 15 is coming 30.
Excellent, excellent. Very quick answer. I give you more sums. Do this sum in your notebook. 6 upon 7, 42 upon 49. Samriddhi, cross multiplication. Just cross multiply. This digit will multiply by this. Can you see here? And this multiply by this. And see whether the answer is coming or same or not. If they are coming same,
And 42 multiplied by 7 is equal to 296.
296. Okay. Then next is
Ma'am,
yes.
these both are equivalent as 7 into 42 is equals to 29.
They are equal and
6 into 49 is also equals to
yes.
Let me check. Let me check.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiplied by 6 is equal to 296.
42 multiplied by 7 is 294. And 49 multiplied by 6 is equal to 294.
Ma'am, it's also 294.
Yes, so both are same, so we can say equal. Now we will not cut the equal sign. Got it, Freya? Anushka, Dairya, Karnav, Aryaman, are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how to check whether they are equal or not? We can check with the cross multiplication method.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now take out a textbook. Take out a textbook, everyone. So today concept is we have learned how to check the two different fractions whether they are equal or not by the cross multiplication method. So now open your textbook, page number, chapter number 4, page number 50. I am going to present my screen. Page number 50, everyone.
Ma'am, what was the third sum? I did not write the third sum.
It's okay. You can write your own different fractions and check. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any fraction with different numerator and denominator. And check. Got it, Samriddhi?
Yes.
It is not compulsory all the digits which I am giving you, you do with that only. Our flag. You must have seen the flag of our country. Do you know how to draw the flag? Everyone know how to draw the flag?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, what is the shape of the flag?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. And how many parts we do in the rectangle to draw Indian flag?
3.
3. So do you think all are equal?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So please take pencil or paper and draw a flag with the length of 9 centimeter and width of 6 centimeter. Faster.
Where's my note?
In the book also, in the notebook also, wherever you want to draw, please draw. The top 1/3 of a flag is saffron. Now you can see, you need to, because this is a rectangle, we want 3 parts for the rectangle for saffron, white and green.
Ma'am, the first is 1/3, second is 1/2, and
Yes.
third is 1/3.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
all are 1/3, but why white portion is less?
Ma'am,
Because-
because there is Ashoka Chakra.
Ashokha chakra in between. Very good. The top 1/3 of a flag is saffron orange. What is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag?
White.
White. That is also 1/3, but little less than because Ashoka chakra is also there in between. Where you draw the Ashoka Chakra? In which color you will draw the Ashoka Chakra?
White.
White.
Right. How much of the flag will you color green?
1/3.
1/3. Because total 3 parts, so 3 and 1/3 is the part of the green color. Yes, Samriddhi.
How many lines we have to
It is there written in your textbook. If you see the textbook, if you see my screen, there is written everything. Now you got it, Samriddhi? Samriddhi, answer me.
Yes,
What is the length?
9 centimeter.
What is the breadth? Width and breadth is same.
6.
Got it? Thoda mind, eyes, everything we need to open and then we work. Is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? And why? As Dhyan has already given the answer of this, yes, it is less than 1/3 because it is having what it is having in between?
Ashoka Chakra.
In the
Ashoka
middle
Chakra.
of the white color. Yes, that is why the color is little less. Now go to the next part. This way you draw the flag and see. Now go to the next part. Now look at the flag, how much it is black. So can you tell me?
1/3 again.
Same. Afghanistan flag is also 1/3 black. The green part is also
1/3.
1/3.
1/3. And next is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because there
Because-
is a symbol in the between.
Yes, because there is a symbol in between. That's why the red color is less than the 1/3. Now go to the next. This is the flag of which country?
Myanmar.
Myanmar. Our neighbor is blue more than 1/4. Is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less than?
Less,
see?
ma'am, less.
Can you tell me why?
Ma'am, because it is only, ma'am, it is only so small. It is so small.
Yes.
Less than 1/4 also.
Less than 1/4 because little part is still going on in the red. Let me wait a minute. Let me skip this. Yes. So when we see this Myanmar flag, this is not exactly the 1/4 because little part is still in the red portion. So we can say that this is less than 1/4. Guess how much of the flag is red? Is it more than half or is it more than 3/4?
Ma'am, it's more than half. 3/4.
More than 3/4.
Yeah.
हाफ तो ऑलरेडी 2 पार्ट्स मिलाएंगे तो हाफ हो जाएगा. 3 parts मिलाएंगे then it will be 3/4, right? When 3 1/4 will be added, then it will become 3/4. Got it? The one who was saying half is more, that child got how 3/4 is more? Yes or no? Can I move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, turn the page number 51. Page number 51. It's about the flag. Collect as many flags as you can. How many flags have 3 colors? Are all the color part equal in these flags? Children, it's your home task. Now search more different flags of the countries and see which flags have 3 colors and what part are all the colored parts equal in their flags. So we discuss tomorrow, okay? And this is the flag of the math club in the school. Maths club is what? Can anyone tell me what we do, what all the activities we do in the maths club?
Ma'am, we study
There are
math.
all math activities.
Yes, maths activities. So they made one maths club flag also. So what part of the flag is colored red? What part is green? What part is red? First of all, tell me.
5/2. 2/5. Sorry, 2/5.
2/5. Because
2/5.
here
2/5.
two are red and total parts are 5. So we can say 2/5 is the red. And how much part is green?
1/5.
1/5.
Excellent.
One upon
Excellent.
five.
See the black logo, draw it. Is there a maths club in your school? If not, then we have discussed already, okay? Then now there is a space given down that you can also draw a flag. Here, you can also draw a flag according to your choice and do it. This is your home task that you need to draw, and I will see in the next class that everyone done or not. Turn the page. Magic top. Let us make a magic top, and this is also your home task that you need to make a magic top. I will put all these activities in the maths activity folder, so you keep it ready, all the activities, and show it to me. Let us make a magic top. Take a cardboard piece, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. You all know we have learned how to draw a circle with the radius in grade 3. Sorry, in grade 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
You know how to draw a circle with a given radius?
Yes.
Yes.
Radius is given 3 centimeter and cut it. Draw a circle on the cardboard, one big circle of 3 centimeter radius, and divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Now each part is 1/8 of the circle. Okay. When you draw, when you look here on my board screen, can you all pin my board screen? I am going to show you here. See, this is your magic top, and the radius is 3 centimeters. Suppose you have drawn this. Now divide the spin top into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way means it's not exactly. Yes. It's not exactly, but you divide it properly with the 8 equal parts. Okay. And all parts should be equal. Then what you need to do is, after drawing it, then you need to color. Okay. Different colors. Magic top में different colors अच्छे लगेंगे कि नहीं?
Yes.
So it is written how you will color. They have given the instructions also that how you will color. 2/8 red means out of the total 8 parts, how many parts you will color red?
2.
2 parts.
2.
2 parts.
And orange, how many? 2 out of total 8? 1
1 part
orange.
orange.
How many yellow?
1 part.
1 part yellow.
1 part.
Yeah. So this way, push a match. They have given 3 ideas. Now for the more you can. So 2, 3, 4. 4 parts will be colored like this way. Another you can try your own. So cover all the 8 total parts. Got it?
Okay.
Yes.
And then when you make it with the matchstick and when you spin it fast, what do you observe? Which color you will see?
Ma'am, rainbow color.
Try this. We will discuss tomorrow. Try this, okay?
And all colors.
Try this practically. We will discuss tomorrow. Now, come to the next question. Chocolate bar. What is given here, Samriddhi? Chocolate bar.
Yes.
Manju had a chocolate. What is Manju is having, students?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
I want everyone's voice louder.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Manju was having a chocolate.
Chocolate. 3, 8, 1, 4, 2, 4.
Let me take the attendance who all are leaving early in my class, and then I will put the grades accordingly. Let me take the attendance again.
Yes, ma'am.
They are joining late also and leaving early also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which page number?
52.
Okay, 50.
She gave 1/4 it to Raji.
1.
So can we count how many total parts are here?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 total parts.
12.
Okay.
Well.
Out of the total 12 parts, 1/4 to Raji. So can you tell me how many parts Raji got?
1.
4. 4.
1/4 of 12.
Yes.
See, I will draw here. Can you all
Ma'am,
pin
can I
my
tell?
boards? Can you all pin my board screen? Yes, I wait a minute.
Yes,
There are total 12 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 parts. Can you all see this?
yes, ma'am.
So then they are saying
So
how
she
many parts?
She broke the one in 4 pieces, and from 4 she got 1.
Out of total 4, she getting 1. Then again 4, she getting 1. Then again 4, she's getting 1. So how many total?
So she got 3.
3 ना. 1/4 means what? 4 में से 1 मिल रहा है उसको.
Yes.
Then again 4 में से 1. Then again 4 में से 1. 3. And one more method. And one more method I told you that before also 1/4 of 12. And at the place of 4 we put multiplication sign.
Yes.
And when we divide it, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 3 into 1 is 3 parts. This topic we have covered in the grade 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Samriddhi will tell me, Samriddhi, what is 1/3 of 12?
A minute. 6. Ma'am, no. 1/3 of it is.
एक मेथड तो अभी आपने सीखा.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Every 3 में से उसको एक 1 मिल रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. 4.
Every 3 में से 1 मिल रहा है. तो 4 parts ना. 1, 1, 1 here, 1 here. और एक आपने ये सीखा ना, the method 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Done or not, everyone? Those who are here in the class. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir, ma'am,
Yes, yes, Ayush.
I want to ask something. I
Yes.
think that Raji will get 3. I think Raji will get 3 pieces. Sujata will also get 3 pieces.
Sujata
And
is
Sheila will
1/3
get
to
only 1 piece, and Manju will get
1/3
5
to Sugata.
pieces.
She gave 1/4 to Raji, 1/3 to Sugata. So 1/3 of 12 is 4 pieces. 1/6 to Sheila. 1/6 of 12 is,
And both of them,
what is 1/6 of 12?
ma'am, actually, see, Raji, 1/4 of 12 will equal to 3 parts, right?
Yes.
Then, if 3 parts are given, then 9 parts remaining. Out of 9 parts, Sugata got 1/3, which is also 3.
Hmm.
Then Sheila got 1. Sheila got 1/6. So there was only 6 left. So she gave only 1 piece to Sheila, and Manju got 5 pieces.
Okay. So this you understood, right? But here,
Yes.
Ma'am, Sugata got 2 pieces only.
okay, children, what we do is you try this activity. Okay, we will discuss the answers tomorrow. Vedi, I will show you tomorrow on the board.
Okay.
Raji got 3 pieces, Sugata got 4 pieces, Sheila got 2 pieces, and Manju got 3 pieces.
Keep the answers with you. We will discuss the answers tomorrow. Okay? Got it? Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.